Baby Tyrion, it's your Mimi. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving. That's right. You know what Thanksgiving means? Black Friday sales. Have you got your sales paper? Are you circling things for your mommy to buy you? Yes, all those last minute Christmas items you just have to have. We're going to be watching the movie Freebirds. It's about some turkeys. The turkey suggests that you eat pizza instead of turkey. I know. Spoiler alert. Sorry. Mimi's going to read you a book called The Itsy Bitsy Pilgrim. But first, Mimi's going to tell you about what we're having. We're going to have some chicken and some stuffing and gravy. And a turkey cake. Turkey cake. Yummy. Some pumpkin pie quit. I have pumpkin pie. And Oreo candy bar. And we can't forget, most important, Pillsbury Crescent Rolls. Is that right, Pillsbury Doughboy? Woohoo! Okay, happy Thanksgiving, Tyrion. Pause. The Itsy Bitsy Pilgrim. The Itsy Bitsy Pilgrim sailed the ocean blue. Oh, look at cute little mouse. He's a pilgrim. On the Mayflower to a home that's new. Ooh, where's he going? He helped build the houses. He helped shovel snow. Oh, poor little mouse. Then some itsy bitsy new friends. Ooh. Look, chipmunks. Came by to say hello. Oh, the mouse is so excited. Not what happened in real life, by the way. The Itsy Bitsy Pilgrim invited them to play. And they made dinner on a special day. Yep, having dinner. Then he gave thanks for all they share. They're having dinner. Having some turkey, which is unusual considering it's a mouse, and some chipmunks, and some pie, some soup. There goes Mittens. Mittens wants to be in the video. The first Thanksgiving meal was made with love and care. And there's Miranda. Say hi, Miranda. And that's the end of the book. The Itsy Bitsy Pilgrim. And now Lori would like to say Happy Thanksgiving, Tyrion.
Happy Thanksgiving, Tyrion.